Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to teach you how to change your map sensor on your 7.3 Powerstroke. On our 2000 excursion, while I was doing an installation video not too long ago, I managed to break the end off of the map sensor. The map sensor's got a little nipple on it right there where the air supply line goes into this. Show you that. Broke it off. Totally my mistake. So we're going to be replacing this map sensor today. I thought it'd be a good way to do a video because we sell a lot of boost foolers for the 7.3 Powerstrokes. This model map sensor fits the 99 to 2003 model 7.3 Powerstrokes in the Super Duties and the excursions. So I just want to show you today, I want to show you the location of the map sensor. I'm going to show you how to change the map sensor, and we'll get a new map sensor on this one and chalk it up to one of my mistakes. So first off, let's show you where the map sensor is on the 7.3 Powerstrokes 99 to 03 trucks. The map sensor is located on the left hand or right hand side of the engine, passenger side of the engine. It's located on the bracket here. One way that you can know exactly what the map sensor is, there is an air supply line, and this one's not attached to our map sensor because, like I was telling you, I broke that off when I was installing an intercooler pipe. But you have an air supply line that will come from the manifold down here that supplies over the map sensor. Manifold absolute pressure sensor. So, you know, it has to have something, an air line on it for the turbo. Now, we are going to go ahead and start swapping out that map sensor. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you've got your battery cables undone on the truck. You don't want to have any electrical problems. T20 Torx and a pair of pliers, and we will go ahead and take that off. This is a 5-volt reference sensor, so if you're looking at a wiring diagnostic, you just know that it's on 5-volt reference. We sell a lot of map sensors. This is a convenient video for us to do because we sell a lot of boost fillers, I'm sorry. This is a convenient video for us to do because, you know, just wanted to show you where the map sensor was on these trucks and so on. So, like I said, T20 Torx, go ahead and take the 2 screws out of this. Don't drop them. This is a really bad place to drop a screw, especially on excursions because there's a lot of stuff going on over here. And when you get it undone, you can undo your electrical. There's a little catch there. Just go ahead and unplug it. And then go ahead and bolt your new one up. These are tapping screws, so you've got to watch this when you go to do it. You want to try to get it started as straight as you can and get a couple of turns on it if possible. You can kind of get that going in a bad direction where that's a new cut on that screw. It'll take whatever path you send it down. So a couple of turns on there and then you're good to go. Just snug those down, don't overdo it. Before you do your wire, you want to go ahead and do your air line here. What you do is put the clean it back. We'll go ahead and on the underside of the map sensor. Go ahead and put your air line on. Put our cover back on. Then hook your electrical portion back up. There you go. You've installed yourself a new map sensor. Super easy to do. Don't be a bonehead like me and break the air line off of it when you're putting your intercooler pipes on. But it's worth noting. when you're working around stuff like that. Those are types of things, those are $100 mistakes that you can make that are easily avoided, and I know better than that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions of this, again, one thing this ties into quite a bit, we sell a lot of boost foolers. That's where your boost fooler goes, on the map sensor. So that shows you where your map sensor is at. So I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. If you have a question about this installation or any of the products that we sell, please give us a call, like and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate that. And as always, thank you for watching.